Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorials how to add multiple Instagram accounts on your device. So here the device that I use is iPhone or iOS. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the profile option here, just click it, and then we will be generated into our profile. And then after that, just go into the left corner upper, and you can see that here is your ID name of Instagram. Just click it, and then it will be shown the information about every account that is already existed on your device or login in your device. But if you want to add another account, just click add Instagram account, and there will be two options of it: log into existing account if you already have an Instagram account, and you can create the new one if you haven't had it. So first, let's try the log into existing account. So here you just need to enter your username and the password of your another account. But if you haven't had any account yet, so just go into the other option, which is create the new account, and then Instagram will give you an instruction about what you have to do to make your new account here. So just click the username that you want to have, and then just hold on, and then the Instagram also will give you recommendation about the name of your ID that are available. You can just choose and then just click next, and then creating a password, and then just make sure the password is okay, and so on and so on. So that's all the tutorial about how to add multiple accounts on Instagram. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.